Sometimes when we work on a multicam project, the aspect ratio of our clips gets completely messed up when we import it into Premiere Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy trick that lets you auto-reframe all of your clips at once. Let's get into it. Here I have my demo project loaded into Premiere Pro. Now all of these clips have come from Pexels. We have some that are 1080p and we have some that are 4K. Now when we load this into the timeline, some of the clips appear cropped, like this one, and then some of them appear pretty normal, like this one. Now what I'm going to do is show you a really easy trick that will completely fix this problem. So what we have to do is select all the clips in your timeline. We need to right click the clips and we need to select scale to frame size. By clicking this, it tells Premiere Pro that we want all of these clips to fit in our 16:9 1080p aspect ratio. So now if we go through these clips, we can see that they all line up within the resolution that I've selected for this video. And that's all there is to it, a nice easy trick that saves time when it comes to editing multicam projects. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.